Hi, I'm Robert Herdan, owner of West Oaks Tile, and today I'm going to show you how to drill into a ceramic bathroom tile. The tools you'll need for this job are a hammer, a nail punch, a concrete drill bit, and a drill. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take your and put it on your ceramic tile where you want to make the hole. Now the reason for this is to help steady the drill bit when you actually start drilling. So then take your hammer and just lightly just tap it a little bit. All you're trying to do is make a little scored mark. Then take your concrete drill bit and your cordless drill. Then you put that on your scored area. Okay, then you can pull your drill out and you can see that we've drilled the hole through your tile. It's the same process no matter where you're putting the hole, if you're putting it on the floor or on the wall. So if you're going to put a hole in your wall on your ceramic bathroom tile, then what you would do is just go ahead and get your pencil, mark that to where you want it, and the same process. Then you would go ahead and get your nail punch, your hammer, score the little hole on the mark that you made and go ahead and drill it. When you're done with that, then you'll have a hole in your ceramic bathroom tile. I'm Robert Herdan, owner of West Oaks Tile, and I have just shown you how to drill a hole into a ceramic bathroom tile.